Polk Audio Atrium 6 Outdoor Speakers. Weatherproof, high-impact sound for your backyard party. The Polk Audio Atrium 6 Outdoor All-Weather Speakers are your ultimate outdoor sound companion. Whether you're hosting a lively backyard barbecue, chilling by the pool, or lounging on the porch, these speakers offer big, lifelike sound that brings the party to life. With all-weather certification, these bad boys can take on salt fog, UV rays, extreme temperatures, and heavy rain. Rain or shine, your tunes will keep rolling, making sure your outdoor space stays lit with incredible sound. What makes the Atrium 6 truly stand out is its incredible build and superior sound. Built tough with corrosion-resistant aluminum grills and a rust-proof bracket, plus stainless steel and brass hardware, these speakers are designed to stand the test of time. And don't think durability means a drop in sound quality. Polk's patented dynamic balance technology powers the 5.25-inch woofer and one anodized aluminum dome tweeter, delivering exceptional clarity and deep, effortless bass. Expect broader, more realistic sound that ensures every note and beat is crystal clear, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Bass that hits deep and wide, what more could you ask for? Thanks to Polk's PowerPort bass venting, the Atrium 6 speakers provide powerful, space-filling bass that adds richness and depth to your sound experience. Whether you're lounging by the pool, throwing a garden party, or simply relaxing, these speakers transform your outdoor space into an immersive audio experience that's impossible to beat. Installation? A total breeze. The SpeedLock mounting system lets you mount your speakers with just one hand. Yes, really. In seconds, you can securely set your speakers either vertically or horizontally, adjusting the angle to perfection. Plus, the steeply angled baffle design means you can tuck them under overhangs or pergolas for a sleek, hidden setup. It's the easiest, most hassle-free mounting system you'll find, allowing you to get back to enjoying your outdoor sound sooner. When it comes to outdoor audio, the Atrium 6 delivers everything you need and more. These speakers are built to last, rain or shine, offering top-tier sound quality and weather resistance that's hard to match. With Polk's all-weather certification, innovative bass venting, and easy installation, you're getting more than just a speaker, you're getting a reliable, long-term solution for your outdoor entertainment needs. It's time to elevate your outdoor listening experience with Polk Audio's Atrium 6.